Subhash Chandra Bose was a big example for me because I realized हमारे इतने सारे freedom fighters हैं, उनका साउंड याद है हमें. सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने बोला था तुम हमें खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. उन्होंने तो बहुत सारी चीजें बोली थी पर ये क्यों हमें याद है? New sound so that people could have their unique identity.
Music is an essential part of everyone's life. चाहे वो सेलिब्रिटी हो, चाहे वो कॉमन मैन हो या कोई भी हो, म्यूजिक तो यार जिंदगी में चाहिए ही. इट्स अ सोर्स ऑफ लाइफ. एंड टुडे आई हैव द फाउंडर ऑफ सोनिक स्टोरी विद मी. नाम भी कितना कूल और क्वर्की है, जस्ट लाइक योर जैकेट.
Thank you so much, Sejal.
सो मुझे बताओ यार, सोनिक स्टोरी एग्जैक्टली क्या है? आई एम वेरी इंट्रीग्ड. व्हाट इज इट अबाउट?
So, Sonic Story एक company है. We are a creative agency basically, and we make sonic identities for brands. Now we are making it for human beings also. And sonic branding is basically a very essential tool for a brand recall to have that emotional connection with their audience. Few brands have it. And for the rest of the brands, we are there to make it for them.
यानी वो जो नेटफ्लिक्स का टिडिंग और
हाँ,
वो जो
टिडुम.
प्राइम वीडियो का आप जो सुनते हो टिडिंग, वो सब यही करते हैं. इनका यही काम है. तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप कितने टाइम से ये काम कर रहे हो?
Well, मैं तो म्यूजिक 20 साल से कर रहा हूँ. Starting from being into bands, then being a DJ, then getting into production, films, documentaries, and now finally we are doing these small 2, 3, 4 second sounds for brands.
अच्छा, मैंने ये भी लाइक व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू द पेज एंड एवरीथिंग, तो आई सॉ कि यू डू इट फॉर ब्रांड्स, you also do it for humans. Like humans could also have their own
yes. That was the whole point why we did this whole campaign, which was the Sonic Santa campaign. So we realized that if brands could have sounds, why not humans could also have sounds? Because humans are also brands. Instagram pe, or every influencer is a brand in itself. So
Absolutely.
Yeah, and the awareness is very low कि अगर आप किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि मेरा भी यूनिक साउंड हो सकता है. So that was one of the reasons for doing this.
तो आप एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी देते हो किसी को भी.
बिल्कुल.
That they can use lifelong.
हमेशा it's a timeless thing, so it never, it's a sound.
क्या बात है. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस के थ्रू वर्कआउट करो. एग्जैक्टली क्या करते हो आप? लाइक you have this beautiful studio, so how does
Thank
it
you.
how does it work?
So, sonic branding is a very different process than making a jingle or a song for a brand, And the process we follow is, हमने क्या किया है? We have we take the 9 basic human emotions or the navrasas. So every human or every brand falls under some of those emotions out of those 9 emotions. So we take some of the emotions whichever is the closest to that brand, and then we map it to ragas or music. So we do a rasa to a raga conversion. But क्या होता है, रागास तो बहुत लंबे होते हैं, ये 1, 2, 3 सेकंड के होते हैं. So somehow we have developed, we also have this AI technology which we have been training for a long time, where we feed all the data of the brand, that how the brand wants to sound like, and then we map it to small sound like a 2, 3 signature, which becomes their sonic logo or their brand identity. That's like the basic process of doing it.
ओके, क्वाइट टेक्निकल. अगर ये ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा, इसे एक्चुअली दिखाना होगा. तो एक बात बताओ, अगर मुझे अपनी मे बी 2 to 3 सेकंड की एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी आपसे बनवानी होगी, तो इट कैन बी डन?
Yeah, it can be done. It's very simple. It's not simple really, but like we ask you, like this is how exactly we did the Sonic Santa campaign. So we asked, we worked with 25 micro influencers in Delhi, and what we did was we asked them 2 questions. One was about their social persona. That are they a loud person, are they conversationalist, or do they whisper, how they are. And second, their emotional response. Do you want a Shringara Rasa, which is love? Do you want a Adbhut Rasa? You want like a Veera Rasa, which is courage, or like a Hasya Rasa, which is laughter. So we asked them those questions, and after they gave us the answers, I tried to map those rasas into a small sound bite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and also use certain instruments which kind of depict that rasa. Like for example, एक हास्य रसा के लिए मैंने एक मॉलेट यूज किया जो कार्टून्स में जब टॉम एंड जेरी होता था,
Right, right,
तो
right. Yeah, yeah,
समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो
exactly.
दैट, सी, these sounds are already in our subconscious brain, तो we have to just access it and trigger it from कुछ ऐसे देख के. So that's the process.
Amazing. So guys, this was Devjit Mitra who told me about Sonic story. So any celebrity, any influencer, big or small, or anyone who's looking to work with them is most welcome. I'm pretty sure they're going to do a fine job. Behind the scene बता रही हूँ, मैं भी ये करवाने वाली हूँ create. Sorry Devjit.
No, sure, absolutely.
But
say it.
yeah, that's there, and it was wonderful chatting with you. Thank you so much for giving us your insights.
Thank you so much.